automatically xa ubona stew uzothetha stew. So that is the reason why it's so important into yobana must maintain the focus. To Hebrews tells you, fix your eyes unto Jesus, the author and the finisher of your faith. The reason why serious, you will need to guard your focus. Because usathana uyakuderaila akubonise zonke izinto, but indlela thina befanele sibona ngalo indlela lethu. The reason namhlanje ungakwazi ukubulisa omnye umuntu unyusa impumlo bele attitude, it's because usathana udrope thoughts. Usathana has dropped a thought yobana uyandiqhela, ubani uthi unguyandazi, and automatically you respond, you start walking according to lehlobo oyibone ngayo. That's what Satan has said. But you must walk in love. So that's the picture we should maintain. That's the picture we should keep. Inobana asihambi ngeefeelings zethu. Asihambi according nobana sibona izinto engathi zinjani. But sihamba according to the word of God. Because that is our safety. It's because ufuna experience yena, ufuna experience izwi, ufuna experience all the good things. As much as baku easy ukudiraila sihambe according to the way we feel, but the way we feel is that it's vulnerable. The way we feel, it opens the door to the entrance of the enemy. So when you are full of izindo that you're not supposed to have in your heart, because you have left